I've been working on a lot of older RVs lately, and sometimes when you're working on awnings or slide outs, you need someone to help you push a button to line stuff up or whatever you're doing, adjusting, putting pins in. So I've made this to where this plugs into this box here. In this position here, you hook these wires up to the wires off the switch, or right direct to a motor, and this is powered, self-powered, so I can hook right up to a motor and run the motor with this wireless remote here. See, it reverses the polarity. Then if you have a in-wall type slide, you would hook up all three wires off of the switch to here. And you put this in position 2, and that would give power on that side of on the black wire, and then you would, the other direction would give you power on the white wire. And then I've got a couple clips here of it working on some actual slide outs.